Go back to your console again. Now, very important thing, like in practical, there might be some scout boys who doesn't want, their parent don't want, or they don't have access to the internet, or maybe they don't want to use the internet system, this our system, and den leader can still go ahead and create their record. How? So den leader needs to go and click on this add new member. Add new member will basically give you a sign up form. Den leader needs to put the information about their email ID is optional for the kids less than 13-year-old. Put the username, password, full name, birth date, which subcategory group. It will show only one group here because it is created by the den leader of Tiger. Show the gender, show the country, state, city, zip code, blah blah blah, add some information and sign it up. Once you sign up their form, automatically that particular scout boy is added in this list, in the same group, and basically den leader can maintain his record on his own, and at one place everything is accessible. Second important feature, if den leader knows that there are like 10 kids who attended the meeting and they completed 2 activities, now den leader is aware of those 2 activities which got completed in the den meeting. He can just apply all those 2 activities to all the members whosoever has attended. So click on that and it gives the whole form. Select couple of activities from here. Let's say where I live, he created 3 activities got completed in one particular meeting, and now den leader needs to go at the bottom and select the members or scout boys who attended this activity. Just go select, let's say all of them have attended, submit it. Once the record is updated for all the attendees, right? We just saw that we applied a couple of 3 records to all these scout boys. So just to double check whether a record is updated or not, you just click on one of the scout boy record here and see whether that particular record got updated, and I can show you where it was. Where I live, this was the so all these 3 records got updated. Where I live, right? And you can check all other records and you will see the same record got updated for all the other 6 boys. Go back to your console, and the next important thing, you can how to record the attendance. You just click on record attendance. Select the, let's say there was a den meeting at 7 p.m. on 2nd, right? And let's say call it as den meeting, right, on 2nd September 2011. I'm going to select all the attendees here of that meeting and say submit. Click on submit. Now I can just go back anytime and click on show attendance. It's going to show me the attendance of all these 6 boys, like how many meetings they have attended. And if you want to see the attendance of a particular event, you just put the event name here, select the time and refresh that, and you will see that graph is updated for that particular event. It will show you at one glance that how many kids attended that particular event. Again, go back to your console. Let's say if you want to create a team record PDF, like PDF of all the boys awards and all the record. Just go here, click on create team record, select the date, let's say from 2011-11 to 1109, and I say create PDF, and then this PDF will contain all the records of all the boys. Scout record of 4 pack 6 7 and 10, 4 pack 6 7 1 10, right? Right now we don't have all the records entered here, and you may not see record here, but this is what it is. You will apparently see all the boys records at one place. I'm going to skip here this submit activity, perform activity, and your submissions. We are going to cover this in boys login, because they are the one who are going to submit or perform the activity and see their submissions. How to see the organization chart? You just go click on organization chart, select your language, year, and country. So next, select your state, Illinois, and pack 671. So next, and you will see the organization chart for this particular pack 671. We haven't entered the data at this point, but pack leaders are supposed to enter this data. They will have a console where they can enter all this organization leadership chart, and you will see country leaders, Illinois state leaders, and pack 671 leaders for their respective pack. This is the Den leaders approval section, where Den leader can see all the approvals requested from their scout boys. So you just needed to select the language, what is your Den, let's say Wibelos, and or let's say Tiger here, because this Den leader is a Tiger Den leader. Select next, and if there are pending approvals, so let's say these are some pending approvals right now submitted by some scout boy, and it is showing up here in this console. That means Den leader needs to approve this particular thing. Now I'm just scrolling down here, and Den leader needs to click an approve tab here. Click next. It will open the next approval activity. This is another activity which Den leader needs to approve. Go here and click on approve. Again, there is one more, looks like there is one more activity submitted by Vedant, and Den leader needs to approve his activity. Scroll down, select approve, and say next. This is another activity which again need to be approved by Den leader. Select approve. So this is how Den leader sees all these activities coming from the scout boys, and they need to approve. Once they are approved, you can immediately go to your console and check their record, and you will see that those activities which got completed by the scout boys are approved. You will see that couple of things like making decorations, or how to make you celebrate. Once you see this check mark, that means those activities got approved. If they are not approved, you will see the C mark, that means they are completed, but they are not approved. So whenever the boys, like for example, here is one example. This activity is completed, but it is not approved. So that means there is a pending approval from the Den leader. So this is all about this Scout Den leaders console, and this is how Den leader can manage all the record at one place. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, or if there is any issue while you are signing up, please immediately inform us at support@hifikids.com. If you want us to implement any new feature, please send us email, and we will immediately support that new feature for your den or for your pack. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.